Hi friends, this is Neha from SM Creatives, and today I'm going to show you how to add text on your Instagram story highlight covers. So we'll be using Canva to do this, and we'll be using some of my watercolor circles like this to create your own custom Instagram story highlight covers. Now first we're going to go to Canva on mobile. It's the free version that I'm using. You don't need to pay for the premium version to create all of these designs. We're going to select Instagram story because that's the size of our design. Blank. Now we're going to add the circle first over here. So before adding, make sure that you have saved the circles on your phone or whatever other background that you're using on your phone with a transparent background. Okay. Plus images, camera roll, and select. Just click here. You can resize it, drag and drop from the edges and resize, and then click on the black area to set it. Now click on plus again, and this time we're going to add text. Add your text. Say I want to make a highlight for style, so add your text, and then you can change the font over here. So you can browse fonts over here, see how they look. Canva will show you exactly how they look as you change the font. I actually quite like how this looks, but maybe I'll go with something a bit more traditional. You can also search for a font that you already know the name of. I happen to love this font, so I search for it, and yes, Canva has got it. I quite like the look of this. Now you can click on done when you're happy. Next thing that I like to do is I like to increase the spacing between the letters. So click on spacing, go to letter spacing. There you go. So you can adjust, and when you're happy with how it looks, click on done, and then click on the black space again to set the style. Now your design is done. You can just click on the download button, and there you have it. Your image is saved in your camera roll. I hope you found this tutorial helpful.